How to do Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. Let's get right on to the video. Open your Snapchat, make sure you are logged into it, and also make sure you have the latest version of your Snapchat. To do that, you gotta go to the App Store and search for Snapchat. If the blue button besides the Snapchat logo says update, you have to update it. After you are done updating, you gotta go back to Snapchat and open it. There is a smiley face icon right beside the shutter icon. Tap on it, then tap on Explore, which is on the bottom right corner. Now go to the search bar and search for Ask Me Anything, Ravi Rao. Here you'll get a list of filters that may help you to follow the trend. And you may customize many things here. So this is the filter right here that we want to use. To use the filter, simply you have to tap on that filter. And as you do that, you'll be able to see the Ask Me Anything person right there. After that, you can go ahead and take a snap of it and send it to your friends and family. This was the way on how you can actually do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.